In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this unhandled exception has occurred in a component in your application. It says if you continue, the application will ignore this error attempt to continue object reference not send an instant of an object. So let's say that you are having this problem that suddenly occurs while you were using SAP Business One, and due to which virtual machine is also crashing. It shows you the operation on the file reference vmdk is failed. If the file resides on the remote file system, make sure that the network connection and the server where the disk resides are functioning properly. So let's see how we can resolve these issues, especially this one, unhandled exception. First of all, just close out of here, hit cancel. It might crash your virtual machine. Let me just power on this quickly. We quickly log in back. And the first step you need to do is right here, turn Windows features on or off, and you will see this kind of icon for the control panel. Click on that. And here it says .NET Framework 3.5 includes 2.0 and 3.0. Make sure that if it is unchecked like this, you check it and make sure to do it inside as well. Click OK, and it will search for the required files and apply the changes. So just wait for it and close it out of here and see if that crashes again. If yes, the second step is go to the start menu again, right here, CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes. And let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. Right here, SFC/scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. Hit enter and it will begin the system scan for you. This might take some time, so just wait for it to complete. And if there is any problem regarding the SFC scan, it will detect it and correct it here, and you will see the update about that. But here, the problem in my PC is not related to any kind of violations. That's why I see this message. Close out of here, and the last method, or you can say the last step, is just restart your computer once to make it effective, and that's how you can solve it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.